Your neck pain is not from sleeping wrong. I am your neck, I am 46, and the real cause happens 400 times every day. I am your neck disc, 80% water. After 45, I dry out fast. Bones start grinding. That crack every morning is me screaming.
Attacker number 1, your phone. Every time you look down at me, I load 60 pounds onto your neck. You did it just now. Attacker number 2, inflammation. I live inside your neck right now. Every hour you sit still, I grow. You have been feeding me for years. Attacker number 3, time. After 40, I steal your collagen every year. By 55, your neck discs are paper thin. I started on yours.
Fix number 1, magnesium glycinate. 400 milligrams before bed reduces neck inflammation in 7 days. Your doctor never told you. I have been waiting.
Fix number 2, hydrolyzed collagen. 10 grams every morning rebuilds your dried discs. In 6 weeks, that morning stiffness you have lived with starts fading.
I am your neck. Magnesium tonight. Collagen every morning. Phone at eye level. 4 weeks and I stop hurting. Share with every woman whose neck cracks.